तो अब ये कौन कौन सी कंट्रियां है जिनका ईरान के साथ बॉर्डर है और वहां इक्विपमेंट जा सकता, और इन कौन कौन सी कंट्रियों को ठोकने की व्यवस्था करनी चाहिए, इन कौन कौन सी कंट्रियों को तोड़ने की व्यवस्था करनी चाहिए, और इन किस किस कंट्री के अब कुंडली में वाट लग गई है, कुंडली में शनि आ गए, शनि की दृष्टि पड़ गई उनकी कुंडली पे। मैं कह रहा हूं, इसीलिए आप देखिए इजराइल की कोई प्रतिक्रिया नहीं है, अमेरिकन्स आर साइलेंट अबाउट इट, there are people who are propagating this theory and they want people to honestly propagate this theory, they want people to really start believing this has happened. And when this happens, this is the master stroke what Americans would have pulled on. Boss, this is the ultimate master stroke what Americans, and Americans are good at playing that. Americans are very good at playing that. They created weapons of mass destruction. Weapons of mass destruction tha hi nahi. If they could create a story around weapons of mass destruction, they screwed the country. Second, they created Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Laden yahan chupa, wahan chupa, yahan chupa. They screwed whole of Afghanistan. They screwed a couple of countries, but Osama bin Laden kahan tha? Pakistan mein. At the right point of time, they go to Abbottabad, pick him up, kill him, put his fish and feed his body to the fishes. मछलियों के लिए प्रोटीन, तो मछलियों को प्रोटीन दिया गया. So this is what Americans do. And today, when they can pull something like Tulsi and Trump ka drama, why can't they pull this drama? Why can't Israelis playing with the ball? And do you think Mossad doesn't know the trucks are moving? Who the bloody hell thinks Mossad doesn't know the trucks are moving? आप 5 ट्रकें मूव करो, Mossad will know. And Mossad ka satellite intelligence छोड़िए, electronic humanate, that is the human intelligence quotient of Mossad, is today highest in the world because they operate in the maximum hostile terrains. If they can go inside Iran and make a factory and make this drone launching factory and dismantle their nuclear sites, do you think Mossad doesn't know there are trucks inside? They know there are trucks. They know what the trucks are going to do. Why didn't Mossad intervene? Why didn't Mossad try to intercept them? Mossad's commando units are still on Iranian soil. Why didn't Mossad's commando units try to intercept those trucks? You could have taken them one by one. Why did you let them enter Fardo? Because you wanted them to enter Fardo. You wanted them to get into the Fardo so that at the right point of time, you will strike the gold. And I think if my hypothesis is right, which I believe it is right, because I'm stretching my neck out like this and telling you, if it is right, so that means the gold is really gold. And what they have struck is not gold, is a platinum gold. Because Missouri से तेहरान आने में B2 को 36 घंटे नहीं लगेंगे भाई, 37 घंटे से बॉम्बर अगर आसमान में थे. इट इज नॉट दैट वे. दे वर हावरिंग अराउंड, दे वर वेटिंग फॉर द ट्रक्स टू एंटर. ट्रक्स एंटर के कुछ घंटे बाद गए, उन्होंने काम किया. ऑफ कोर्स दे विल बी अवे फ्रॉम द होस्टाइल एयर स्पेसेस, दे विल बी अवेलेबल फ्रॉम, दे विल बी ऑन फ्रेंडली एयर स्पेसेस, पर उन्होंने लैंड नहीं करा उनको. दे डिड अगेन रिफ्यूल्ड बैक टू अमेरिका. So America is not taking any risk with this ace arsenal in here. क्योंकि जो आपको याद होगा लास्ट टाइम स्पाइडर वेब हुआ था, then I did a program on भारत विचार. मैंने कहा यार अमेरिका में सबसे बड़ी जो उनके, मैंने एक जनरल को भी कोट किया था, I forgot the name. उन्होंने कहा कि भाई अगर स्पाइडर वेब हो गया तो बिगेस्ट फियास्को इज आवर these ace nuclear assets, they are anywhere in the world. और बहुत से बेसिस ऐसे होते हैं which are not hardened, बहुत से बेसिस ऐसे जहाँ ये बाहर है. तो अगर स्पाइडर वेब जैसी घटना हुई तो पुतिन तो कह रहा है मेरे पास 380 स्ट्रेटेजिक लॉन्ग रेंज बॉम्बर्स है, 9 से 12 बॉम्बर रशिया के तो यूक्रेन ने उड़ा दिए, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं. इफ दे हैव ओनली 20 ऑफ देम एंड जो B2s है 6 or 8 ऑफ देम ओनली, अगर उसमें से 5-8 बॉम्बर गए, अमेरिका विल लूज 30% ऑफ द जंगी बेड़ा, 30% ऑफ द व्हाट दिस long range bombers, and that is the jewel in the American crown. How can Americans afford to lose such a big thing? That was the thing which I was always telling and contemplating you. My thought process was they cannot afford to lose it. They will not lose it. They cannot lose it. So the logic was right. They came, they did the job, they went. And boss, take my word, they were hovering in the sky. They were waiting for these trucks to enter. The trucks entered. Mossad confirmed. Humanate of Mossad confirmed. CIA got a red flag. Trump was told. Hexeth was told. Secretary of State was told. They were told, okay, Tulsi confirmed. Got. Boys, the bogey is in. The bogey is in. And then boom, then the site goes off. And look, if they carried more uranium into the site, then this UFL contamination, जो यूरी fluorides हैं, उससे अगर ये, because the moment those containers are blasted, even at 60%, the moisture आएगा, and that urifluoric acid and UFLs. When the UFLs are in the air, anybody who enters that site will die immediately. और इसका हाफ लाइफ, कल मैंने की अपने फ्रेंड से पूछा था, हमारे एक दर्शक, मैंने कहा इसका हाफ लाइफ के 4.5 बिलियन ईयर्स. Practically it never dies. 4.5 billion years. So the sites are contaminated, the sites are gone. If anybody is trying to spin those stories, what happened in the site, kya hua, kya nahi hua, boss, the sites are gone. The sites is over. It's all history now. Nobody will enter that site. Those sites cannot be regenerated. And even if you manage to move something out, which is very highly unlikely, this is like something which will not have happened. If you have moved something out, then every piece of earth will be hunted. And every man who is responsible will be taken out mercilessly. they will take out, they will topple governments, they will change the armies. And I hope and pray if Pakistanis have something to do with it, I'm telling you, Pakistan will break into 4 parts. That will be the last colossal mistake which Pakistan will do, and they will break into 4 parts. It's going to be a feast for eyes. We will keep on watching it, we'll keep on pulling around it, and we'll know what it is happening. It is mind-boggling what I'm telling you. And I have a lot of work on it. I've spoken to a lot of people about it, and this is where it is. And let me tell you, Americans and Israelis are ahead in the game. Iran would never ever have and ever in the future beat American and Israeli intel. They cannot beat Mossad and CIA put together. And there are other friendly intels which work with them, like MI6 and all. Ye sab unke saath kaam karte for this mission. French intelligence, everything worked in them. So the West played the Mullah regime so brilliantly. Mullahs got into a chakravyuh which they could not understand. They entered it and they could not know. And by the way, there is no trace of Khomeini. Is he still alive or dead? We don't know Khomeini is still alive or dead. There's no trace of him. They're still saying it's a radio silence. Koi bunker mein ja raha, parcha la raha, bunker mein ja raha, parcha la raha. My assessment of today, Khomeini, 80% dead. I was stretching my neck out and telling you, my assessment of today, आज क्या डेट है भाई? बाद में यार फिर मैं UFO बेस की स्टोरी बनानी पड़ेगी नहीं तो किसी को. आज की उसके नीचे क्या था? आज है जी 23 जून. अभी समय हो रहा है 2:34:35, 2:35, 23 जून. My assessment, Khomeini is 80% dead. Him being live and kicking, chance is only 5 to 10%. 80%, 70% is dead. He was incapacitated, he is dead. They will declare his death in some point of time, but that is where it looks to me, that is where it is going to be. It is a classic win for them. Aaj 15 missile aaye, 10 ya 15 missile. After such a decimation, how many missiles have been able to fire? 25 missile, kal 10, aaj 15. 25 missiles and all. Do you think they have the arsenal? Do you think they have the command and control structure? Do you think they have the resilience? They have nothing. They can't do anything. They will do suicidal moves, and if you want to understand what are the suicidal moves they can do, आपको कल वाला जो मेरा vlog है रात वाला, I have explained and given you the probability what is the ये करेंगे ये क्या कर सकते हैं. Because देखिए एक बात बहुत क्लियर आपको मैं बताऊं, अगर आपको ये चीजें समझनी है, एक बात याद रखिए, गोल्डन लाइन. राजनीति रणनीति तय करती है, रणनीति राजनीति तय नहीं करती. क्या राजनीति रणनीति तय करती है, रणनीति राजनीति तय नहीं करती. सो ट्रंप डिसाइड करेंगे क्या करना, कैसे करना, फिर जाके मिशेल कुरेला हो या सेंटकॉम हो, जो भी उनके जनरल हो, दे विल गो एंड इंप्लीमेंट इट. Likewise, Prime Minister Modi will decide what is to be done. Then CDS, Air Chief, Army Chief, Naval Chief, they will go and implement it. It is not the other way around. So the people who implement it don't decide. The people who decide, they don't implement. रणनीति राजनीति तय नहीं करती, राजनीति रणनीति जरूर तय करती है. ये आपको एक बेसिक समझना पड़ेगा, और that is where the whole keys, that is where the whole decodation is. मुझे लगता है कि I have been able to explain you this very well. I know there will be a lot of questions. I'm willing to take a few more questions today and extend the session for some more time. But friends, this is a classic. This is epic. I have not seen anything like this, and I have not seen anybody shooting in the foot like this. I have not seen an idiot shooting himself in the foot like this. This is going to get in history. If Fardo goes into history, this also goes into history. Mind-boggling, मजा आ गया. अब तो इंतजार इसका कि पाकिस्तान का भी नाम आए और मजा आ जाए. Let's see where it goes. Let's see where it's going to happen. We are going to keep our eyes for, and remember, Bharat Vichar will be always first and fastest. First and fastest always. Don't worry on that. हम आएंगे, हम सबसे पहले आएंगे, सबसे पहले बताएंगे.